Hi again, everybody. This is Tim from Makers Machining. Hey, I told you that I was going to be posting some more videos of training sessions or learning sessions about machining, but it just occurred to me that there's an opportunity for you to visit a trade show at McCormick Place in Chicago in September. It's called the International Manufacturing and Technology Show. It's a trade show that's been going on for decades, and McCormick Place is filled with exhibitors of every manufacturing process from high-end to basic stuff. It's a great opportunity to go and see what's out there in the world of machining. It's September 10th through the 15th at McCormick Place, like I said. It lasts a week, but if you went through the whole show, it's in all the buildings of McCormick Place. If you went through the whole show, you could probably take 2 days to see everything. They get like 125,000 visitors at this show. It only happens every other year. So it's coming up here in about a month and a half. It's a great place to see what's out there in the world of machining. So if I wanted to let you know ahead of time here that if there's any opportunity that you have to visit that show, you would really be impressed with everything there. You might want to Google IMTS and see if you can get on the registration page there. It's kind of expensive to go. It's $50 to go. You might be able to register early for a little bit less, or if you know some company that sells tooling or machinery that would be there that could get you a pass, that works quite often too. But I've got to tell you, that is just an opportunity here to go see everything related to machining out there. You'll get some ideas. You'll see topics of all the different processes that are out there. It's amazing. I've been going for probably 30 years or plus to that show, and it's kind of interesting. I remember some of the high-tech stuff from 30 years ago is ancient history now. The technology is going in leaps and bounds, and you'll see it all at that show. So hopefully you can make it and pick up on some of the new things that are out there and get a little idea. There's handouts there, literature. They have a booklet there that you could probably take with you if you want, and it gives you reminders of who's at the show exhibiting. You can find out pretty much anything you want at that trade show. So it's just a great opportunity. I strongly encourage you to go. And that's it for right now. I just wanted to throw that out there. I'm working on our next videos for the machining processes here that we're going to be talking about. So we'll be talking with you soon. See you then. Bye-bye.